Diyan, habang hindi busy, Iveros, gagawin ko na yung part 2 no ating reviewer no for non-professional like BB1 and B2. Wala akong student pa ngayon, hindi pa ako busy kaya gagawin ko na siya dito sa aking computer no. So antayin nyo na lang, ito na, sunod na i-upload ko na siya ngayon. At syempre kung nagustuhan mo yung ating reviewer, don't forget to like, share, and mag-subscribe ka na din para malaman pa ng iba at patulungan din natin na iba ng mga beginners na kukuha ng non-professional license. No? So yan, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel para makita pa ng iba sa kanila. Yung mga naghahanap ng reviewer na legit, no? Nagaling mismo sa libro ni LTO. So, part 2, question number 26, motor vehicle horn is used to, so answer, warn other road users of your presence. Question number 27, which vehicle have the right of way at a rotonda or runabout? So answer, the vehicle within runabout. Question number 28, what could be a reason for a driver to lose his concentration in driving? Answer, listening to loud music, using mobile phones or gadget, watching videos, and engaging long conversation with passengers. Question number 29, in a single solid yellow line, you are allowed to cross only if, answer, if when turning to a driveway. Question number 30, if you are driving and you need to use your mobile phone, you should, answer, you should stop at the safe side of the road to answer or make a call. So, question number 31, what should you do if the school service is parked on the other side of the highway while hazard warning light is on? So, answer, slow down and prepare to stop. Students are expected to cross the street. Question number 32, on a one-way road, overtaking is permitted either on the right or left lane if it's free from obstruction. So number 33, what vehicles are allowed to use a red and blue flashing light or blinker? No? So answer, police patrols, unauthorized traffic enforcers, vehicle only. So number 34, one of the prohibited driving acts that could place your life at risk is, sir, using mobile phone while driving. Question number 35, in which lane should you take upon merging on the expressway? So answer, at the rightmost lane. Number 36, if a driver operates a motor vehicle with a blinking, running, flashing brake light, he or she will be apprehended for illegal modification. Question number 37. Are you allowed to leave your motor vehicle while the engine is running at a complete stop on the road? Answer, no, not in any time. It may cause confusion to other motorists and it may cause road crash. Question number 38. This could be one of the possible causes of road crash if neglected. Sir, low level or leaking brake fluid. So question number 39. Under RA number 11229, a child 12 years old and below cannot sit at the back seat of a moving vehicle without the use of a Answer, child restraint system. So question number 40. While driving on the road, the driver is allowed to use warning light if needed or hazard. So answer, to warn hazard ahead such as vehicle being towed and roadworks ahead. Question number 41. When following a student driver, you should answer, you should be patient and expect them to make mistakes. So number 42, you are driving on a single lane road with passing places only at the right. You should answer, pull and stop into a passing place when loading or unloading. So question number 43, you are approaching a busy junction with several lanes that has road markings. Suddenly, you entered the wrong lane. What should you do? So what should you do? Answer, continue driving in that lane until it is safe to return to the proper lane. Number 44, you enter the fully occupied parking area except for a vacant PW parking space. You can answer, you cannot park anytime unless you are with the PWD. And PWD parking spaces are intended only for PWDs. So question number 45. You cannot use your mobile phone while driving answer, unless making an emergency call at a safe place. Question number 46. When driving on expressways, you may stop to attend or call for an emergency if you are on the lay-by. Number 47. You are driving on the leftmost of a multiple lane road and you see the sign of a closed road ahead. You should answer, move to the other lane with care. So question number 48. Before turning, you are required to give way to or to or yell to pedestrians and motor vehicles with the first priority right of way. So question number 49. When an emergency vehicle is approaching behind you with a siren and flashing light, you must answer, slow down to stop and give way to emergency vehicles. Question number 50, our last question. You are only allowed to stop on expressway when instructed by, so sino ang makakapagpigil sa atin dito? Instructed answer, only by traffic enforcer. Ano? So, ayan, finish na ang ating part 2 ng Non-Professional Light Vehicle Code B, B1, and B2. So, sana natapos nyo hanggang dito ang video para maging equipped na kayo at maipasa nyo ang Non-Professional Code B, B1, and B2. Ano? So, yun lamang po. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.